Concord Public Works Director Justin Izell was going house to house on Flint Avenue.
Have a good day.
Explaining to taxpayers how, for the first time in years, the SB1 gas tax is making work like this possible.
We have streets that are aged to a point where they haven't had any real maintenance done in a long time just because the funding wasn't there. It wasn't for a lack of desire to get the work done. It was our inability to perform the work just because we didn't have the funding source to do it. It is different this year. We've seen revenue come in from SB1, which has helped us start the design and bid process for new construction projects here in the city.
Flint Avenue is being rebuilt only because of the gas tax.
I don't know if you're aware, but last year the governor signed into law SB1, which is a new gas tax that allows us to do this kind of work. And there's an effort going on to get on the ballot in November a repeal of that gas tax, which would take away the funding for projects like this. These contractors are working on 119 streets all throughout the city, all at the same time. It's a lot of streets, and they're all residential. Our roadways get our children safely to school. They carry goods and services to our homes, and they take us to work every day. We need them.
Prop 6, if passed by the voters, will take away the money from Concord and every other city in the state. In Concord, Mark Jones reporting.